Demand forecasting dashboard is a solution that provides automated demand forecasts for both products and services. The solution replaces traditional manual prediction with an advanced mechanism that attempts to recreate the real demand based on available data and the business specificity. The tool is supported by machine learning to achieve the highest possible forecast precision. Artificial intelligence analyzes various aspects of the demand to make predictions without the need for human interaction. After processing the data, the dashboard presents essential findings in the form of descriptive and easy-to-read visualizations. The dashboard. The main application screen provides crucial information on product demand. The upper panel presents aggregated information about sales history and forecast, whereas in the lower part of the dashboard there is a summary of the most profitable products, distribution channels, and markets. The main screen also provides information about purchase orders that were unfulfilled due to stockouts. Thanks to its main screen chart, demand forecasting dashboard helps to minimize the probability of missing an order due to stock shortages. The report is fully interactive. It allows the user to browse the details of each product with ease. Forecast. The second screen presents historical information about the orders and forecasts for each product or product group. The demand map coupled with the forecast time chart are the most significant on this screen. The chart shows the expected sales results and a comparison of the forecast with the actual demand values. The start of the shadowed area represents the first month of generating forecasts. On the right side of the screen, there is diagnostic information about previous forecasts with additional data that makes it easier to determine which products are troublesome to forecast. Whereas on the left side of the screen, there are product choice switches and time range indicator. Data drill makes it possible to acquire more detailed information for each product. Product details. On the product details screen, there is detailed information about the demand and its forecasts for the selected product. Among the information, there are the quality of the forecast and the income the product had generated. Conclusion. Demand forecasting dashboard offers functionalities that help precisely determine the future demand for products and services. We recommend this solution to everyone who appreciates forecasting data reliability.